Hi guys, back with another video today, and today we're going to be building a landing page optimizer. So is your landing page leaking sales? This simple workflow will fix that for you. So all you need to do is paste the URL, and in under a minute, this bot will first roast you. Then it will give you 10 specific CRO fixes you can ship today. I'll build it live in n8n. Let's just give it a whirl first so you know what I'm talking about. So as you can see, it's giving me solid advice on what to do in fixing CRO issues to do my work to do my landing page. But first, it obviously has to roast you. So let's go ahead and start building this. So let's go ahead and add a form trigger. Which should be our step one. Add your form elements. And just put any placeholder you want. I'm gonna put Sonder Labs. Yep, perfectly fine. So our next step, let us add the HTTPS now. Get and URL. What we're going to do is call that field, which we named landing page URL. Make sure everything's yep, seems to be fine. If a site is JavaScript heavy, you can add a headless render later on, but for most landing pages, HTML is enough. So this is where majority of the magic happens. Let's add the AI agent tool. And we're gonna add a prompt. You can get ChatGPT to create a prompt for you. This is a prompt we've done, and if obviously you want the workflow, it will all be included in the JSON. And now of this AI agent, we add the chat model, and we're going to use ChatGPT. I've already got mine connected. I'm going to use the O1 version just for better reasoning. And my credentials are already been added out. Make sure to fill yours if you haven't, or else it's not going to work. Let's tidy it up a bit more, make it look a bit neater. Now let's see if this works. Okay. And there you go, just like that, it works. And this workflow was what? 3, 4 steps. relatively simple to complete, but very effective, especially very effective for possibly web agencies that do some sort of audit packaging. You can use this to really get a bulk amount of your work done, and of course, add some bits and bobs as you like to improve it, make it a bit better. But there you go, guys. That was just a simple, quick video on how you can make a landing page optimizer in just 4 simple steps. If you like this video and you want any more to come out, just like, comment, and subscribe, and keep watching. Thank you.